Hey guys, salut, this is Alex. Happy New Year. I wish us all the best for the year to come. To be honest, I've been thinking a lot about whether to post or not post this video, but in the end, I feel like you guys deserve to know what's going on this channel. So, the pressure is on. Okay, I created this YouTube channel on March 15 of year 2013. Since then, I've been uploading more than 320-ish videos in which I have put basically my heart and my soul in order to make them good educational content. They might be crispy and fun and light-hearted and silly on the outside, but hopefully inside they are juicy, genuine, they are juicy, meaningful. Now, if my goal is basically the same that it was 6 years ago, basically bringing inspiration and confidence to you guys as cooks, on the other hand, my production game is much more demanding. I film way more, write, research, meet, experiment, camera work, sound work. Yeah, I know it sounds like I'm complaining, but it's quite the opposite in fact. I love making these big, bold, substantial episodes. But I guess one of the cons of always trying to up my game is that I basically need more time to make these episodes. And that just leads us to the decision that I have taken. So starting right now, starting in 2020, I decided to focus mainly on big series, on the content in which I feel like I can make a difference. So I'm talking about series like the mozzarella series, the ramen series. In fact, the very first exciting series coming this Saturday, the first episode at least. Here's a sneak peek. So this is very exciting, but I guess this also comes with a little side dish. I won't be allocating any time for less substantial episodes. So there will be series uploaded every week, and then there will be periods of silence, of more quiet time. I will keep, informing you with posts or behind the scenes stories on Instagram or on YouTube or even on Twitter as well. This is like something experimental, something I've been thinking about, something some people might be pleased with. This is something some people might not give a This is something the algorithm on YouTube might not be super okay with, but just remember that I'm not doing this because I want to stop. It's quite the opposite in fact. I want this adventure to remain genuine and meaningful. Anyways, I think you get my point now. Remember that it's always a great pleasure to have you with me on these adventures, to read your comment, to read your messages. I'm always happy to turn on the camera, and I want it to remain the same. That's what I want, and that's why I'm sharing this with you as well. So I guess we'll see us this Saturday. Maybe in a less dramatic setup, but hopefully with the same spirit. Take care, bye bye, salut.